So only what I was missing was one more goal to celebrate with the fans 3 points. So yeah, there was everything. It was fight, chances, shots, corners, free kicks, a lot of fight between the players, referee under pressure. But it's football. It was good game.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan selamat malam teman-teman semua. Selamat datang kembali di sesi kedua PostMatch Press Conference.
Thank you for the question. Good evening once more again. First of all, I want to apologize to the fans because we did not give them 3 points as we wanted. They were excellent. They were excellent. I would say that if you can announce the man of the match, I would say the fans of PSM Makassar today, they were excellent. They were supporting us all game. The guys were fighting. They tried their best, but as I said before the game, Persebaya is a good team. They were prepared for us. We were trying to be also ready for them. So today was a more tactical fight. It was the chess game. The players did not give each other 1 meter. Especially first half, we did some mistakes in the build-up, which we should not do, but we were able to handle. Set pieces were the key for this game. We scored from it. Unfortunately, very early, we gave them a chance to equalize. And then we had a lot of corners, a lot of free kicks, especially the last minutes free kicks. We did something on training on Thursday, and the players were scoring nice goals. So I was hoping that we will score, but it did not happen. So I would say fair result. Congratulations to the opponent, and once more again, congratulations to our fans. They came in the numbers, and I was so happy to see them. And I hope they will come with the same numbers another game, or in the next game with Malut. And finally, we will give them 3 points when they are here, and they can celebrate with us together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam. Pertama-tama kami seluruh pemain ingin berterima kasih kepada supporter yang sudah datang. Bisa mendapatkan hasil yang baik, yaitu kemenangan buat para supporter. Namun kami para pemain sudah bekerja keras, sudah memberikan yang terbaik, dan kami harap pertandingan berikutnya supporter bisa datang dan meramaikan lagi, karena dukungan kalian sangat penting buat kami. Semoga kami bisa mendapatkan hasil yang baik lagi. Amin. Terima kasih.
Dalam 2 pertandingan terakhir dari PSM Makassar, beberapa kali terjadi miskomunikasi di lini pertahanan di PSM Makassar, dan itu sangat membahayakan tim. Apakah ada evaluasi dari setelah 2 pertandingan ini, di mana lini belakang sering melakukan kesalahan yang seperti salah umpan misalnya? Apakah akan ada evaluasi dari itu? Terima kasih.
About which football you want to play. If you want to just kick the long balls and fight for the balls, or if you want to play football, which I believe the modern football is. So if you want to play old-fashioned football, you just say goalkeeper, kick the long ball and fight for it. But I still believe that we have players which can do it. And for me, these situations were not about I would say pressure on us, because they press only with 1 player or 2 players. So I believe our players should handle, including goalkeeper, situation 4v2, and just to be patient. So I don't know, maybe today a bit of pressure. You know, we won 3 games. Now you know the fans are coming, and then you want to win the game for them. So I believe it was more mental part. Maybe a bit nervous. Maybe the rain which came from nowhere. Now rain came before the game, so maybe the field was a bit slippery, as you could see. Maybe even the last moment when Gladson also was slipping. So they do what I want them to do, and obviously if the opponent is putting pressure, we know what to do. We know that there are the other options. But this situation when we were losing the ball, maybe we were rushing too much, or maybe we were too much confident. We were thinking that it's easy, but as I said, opponent was ready for us. They knew that how we are playing. They prepared. So we also react during the game, especially second half. We did not do such mistakes again, or not too much. So I agree with you. It's something to consider, something to fix, but it does not mean that we will start to play the football from 20th century.
Terima kasih, saya Kasih dari Kebun Timur. Mungkin pertanyaan kepada coach dan Mufli untuk coach terkait mungkin bursa transfer akan dibuka Januari. Apakah sudah ada komunikasi dengan manajemen PSM Makassar untuk pemain yang diinginkan untuk didatangkan di putaran kedua? Dan untuk Mufli terkait sudah 4 laga jadi starting 11, mungkin apa yang menjadi kuncinya dan bagaimana Mufli adaptasi dengan posisi back sayap kanan ini? Sebelumnya kan Mufli sempat jadi penyerang tengah di Garuda Sere, kemudian menjadi penyerang sayap, sekarang jadi back sayap kanan. Mungkin seperti apa?
Ya, tentunya saya bekerja keras di latihan dan selalu menampilkan terbaik buat bisa dipercaya sama pelatih, dan alhamdulillah pelatih memberikan saya kesempatan itu. Dan kenapa saya bisa bermain di bek kanan, dan karena sebelumnya di timnas 20 saya sudah dimainkan di bek kanan, dan mungkin sampai sekarang saya latihan di bek kanan terus, dan alhamdulillah saya bisa bisa bermain starting 11 di bek kanan. Terima kasih.
I came from 1st November, so it's now it's 1 month, 1 week. So when I came, I agreed with the management that we will play some games. We will do some training, so I can see all players in the game. I can see what kind of players we have. Definitely, I don't expect any big changes. So now it's time, because now is the break, 2 weeks. So we have time to sit with the management and discuss. So more for me is more to find the balance, because we have some positions we have only one option. Some positions we have many options. So for me as the coach, I would like to bring the balance to the team. This is the first target. And with the balance, of course, we want to bring the quality. So it's vice versa. If you have balance, you have more options. So for me, I feel like some positions we don't have the options, or we don't have balance. So one of the part of this discussion is to bring the players to the positions which we need. But generally, I am happy with the team which I have, and only we need to correct when we are missing players or when we have too much of players.
Coach, tadi laga sempat berlangsung panas dan ada beberapa keputusan wasit yang sempat diprotes oleh para pemain, bahkan pihak asisten pelatih juga turun untuk melakukan protes, dan berakhir pada apa tadi diberi kartu merah. Ini tanggapan coach seperti apa?
It was it's a game between two big teams for me. It's PSM Makassar against Persebaya. They are two big teams. Both teams they want to win. Both teams they don't want to lose. So such games bringing a lot of duels, a lot of tackles, a lot of pressure to the referee. So look, from my point of view, the referee for referee it was not easy game. They tried also the best. Me personally, I would just maybe have the question maybe to have more additional time, because there also was a lot of injuries, a lot of communication, protest, some tackling each other or fighting each other. So maybe when we played last game, there was extra time 14 minutes, and today was 5 minutes. So it was big. It was big difference. So. It was Percy's solo game. It was 14 minutes additional time. So I believe today could be the same. A red card. It came from the game. we knew that Persebaya has the players which like to put pressure to the referee, so we were ready for it. We knew it. I would say the red card for Akbar was maybe unnecessary or not forced, because we had the ball, we lost the ball in the bad position, so it was the last moment tackle. So it was not about the emotions in the game. It was the second yellow card, and the other, fans came. We wanted to fight. They wanted to fight. I would say the players gave everything what they had. The fans, I believe, like this such kind of game. So only what I was missing was one more goal to celebrate with the fans 3 points. So yeah, there was everything. It was fight, chances, shots, corners, free kicks, a lot of fight between the players, referee under pressure. But it's football. It was good game.